All right, welcome to the San Diego Unified IT Training Program's video series, Tips and Tricks. In today's video, we're going to do a part 2 dive into the spam feature, which showed up in our Google Drive just a few weeks ago. And in addition to having things automatically declared spam because too many things were shared with us to our Sandy.net Google Drive account by someone, maybe they send 25, 30, 50 things a day or something like that. And at some point, it's going to trigger the spam feature and it's going to put things in the spam folder. But we also know that we can right click on anything that's shared with us. And sometimes there's a report or block option at the bottom. And it works for a lot of the things that are shared with us, but for some of the things, it does not work for us. We can throw it away, but we can't block or report that person. So what's going on with this spam feature? Well, it's actually quite simple. If I click on this one here, and you can see that I have my details and activity option open over here, we can see that my personal account, it happens to be me associated with my Yahoo account, not my Sandy.net account. That's where I created this particular document, and then I shared it with my Sandy.net self. And so because this document, Spamming Test Doc, was actually created outside of the school district, our Sandy.net Google administrator for the district, has set it up such that we can actually report or block. That means if I click down here, that no longer can this t.jesperson@yahoo.com, my personal Google Drive account, no longer will I be able to send anything to my Sandy.net self. Or stated differently, if there's someone who's sending you things that you don't want to receive, you can block them with this caveat. If they're from Sandy.net or part of our Sandy.net domain, we do not have the option to either block or report those individuals. Yes, we can throw it out, but we cannot report and block them. In other words, the spam feature will not work. It only works for those items that are from outside of the district. That is a Google Drive account that is associated with like a Yahoo account or a Gmail account, something other than Sandy.net. So if we look around like this one right here, yes, that's from someone in the district, so we can't do that. But what's interesting is this one down here is actually is an MP4. All right, but it's from within the school district, so I can right click on it and I can remove it, throw it away, but I have no ability to block it or report it. In fact, if I try and take it right now and drag it over to the spam folder, it says this file cannot be reported. But if I try that with any other one that's from outside the district, yeah, it'll let me in there and throw it in there, and then I can report it and I can block it and I can do all of those other things. So that's an interesting little nuance to how this spam feature works. You can report or block anything outside of the school district, anybody that has any Google Drive account other than a Sandy.net Google Drive account. Or stated differently, you cannot report or block anyone that sends you anything that has a Sandy.net email address associated with it. So I hope that helps you understand a little bit better how the spam feature works. Please like and share this video with your colleagues so that we can get the word out to more people of how these features work as they show up in our Google Drive account. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you next time.